Hi everyone. Today we're going to be checking in on the chicks just after I added some new shavings to them. And another thing we're going to be doing is start working on refurbishing an old chicken tractor. The hog panels that we used got damaged by snowfall because I left the tarps on once. So we'll fix that up. And then once that's fixed up, we'll have enough chicken tractors for all the chicks and turkeys. And yeah, the chicks got one more week after Tuesday in the brooder, so it'll be interesting. We'll put them out on pasture at 3 weeks old as usual, and they're doing pretty good. You can hear there's a helicopter going by, that's noisy. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go take a look at the chicks. Alrighty, they got some new shavings and stuff. They're kind of spooky chicks this batch, because I don't know why, but they're not as friendly as some of them. Well, yeah, let's see if we can get some chick cam video. Close-ups. As you can see, I think they're tripled in size since my last little update on them. They're starting to get their wing feathers and everything. And yeah, this is my second batch for this year, so it'll be 600 total. I'd like to get up to 2,000 birds a year. That's a goal. And yeah, I added some new shavings, so they're pretty happy about that. Eating their food. And yeah, we're gonna go refurbish the chicken tractor. I'll probably actually go show you it right now since it's in pretty rough shape. It's kind of in our scrap yard / laydown yard. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, there's a busted ribs in that hog panels there, so I'm gonna have to just replace that and stuff. And then the door and everything is gonna have to be remade, but that's about it. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get the hog panel. Alright, I thought these had some broken I don't know what I'd call it, but pages, I guess. I thought one of these was snapped off on one of these. I swear I saw that, but I guess not, because I don't see it anymore. So I think I'll reuse these hog panels. I got it stripped down, just the frame. As you can see, it's a little later in the day than I'd like to be done this, but we're doing a boar share, like a male pig for breeding sows with a neighbor, and we're just had to earlier today drop it off at his house. So our sows bred for this fall. I think we'll just sell the fall piglets because I'm not into raising meat pigs in winter. I only want to do them on pasture in the summer. But with sows, you got to keep them bred, or else they, for some reason, if you actually give them a break, they go infertile, which is interesting. But yeah, I got this all stripped down otherwise. So the rebuilding process will begin. And yeah, I'll go do a little bit of video on the turkeys, and I'll conclude this day's video. Alright everybody, we're going to end today's video with the turkeys drinking some water I just gave them. This is the second time they spilt it. I think it's because Buddy there likes to put his foot up on it while he drinks. Yeah. These guys, they got a full of water and they haven't been spilling it, so they're not super thirsty. So yeah, we moved them. They're on fresh ground for the night to bed down on. They like to roost on the corners of the braces for the chicken tractor. We'd like to set up something that has more roosts for them for future structures for the tractors and stuff. We'll probably use electro netting and move that daily rather than tractors for the turkeys in the future once we get more birds per batch. But yeah, they're doing pretty good. They're really happy. They enjoy being out here and hunting grasshoppers and stuff. They make quite soothing sounding little coos and noises. But yeah, they're quite thirsty because they spilled it twice today. So just ran them some more water and they're drinking. Hopefully we'll get down there sometime with the turkeys so that the tank is actually above the tractors and we can use the hose. Probably going to put the chickens for their run just over there, so we'll have the hose the whole time. And yeah, we're actually getting a fair bit of regrowth from haying, which is pretty awesome. Make it so we got some grazing to do in the fall and winter. We actually like to see if we can graze midway through December, which we did last year. Then it snowed and wouldn't stop snowing, and by the time Christmas was over, there's over 4 feet of total accumulation, so we had to start feeding. But yeah, this will conclude this video for the day. As you can see, sun's starting to go down, and it's another beautiful day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.